Did you know that a leading cause of intervertebral disc disease in dogs is excessive jumping, including leaping on and off furniture? Regardless of age, breed, or range of mobility, excessive jumping is bad for your dog's joints and back. Once upon a time, someone somewhere invented the dog ramp, but they were designed like a medieval drawbridge, were impossible to store, and frankly, looked like shit. From the creators of the beloved SEATMATE comes the next evolution of pet furniture. Introducing the SEATMATE Split Ottoman Dog Ramp, the first ever dog ramp that doubles as a stylish ottoman for your modern living room. Imagine a home accessory designed with both pets and people in mind. When space and style matter, the SEATMATE Split delivers twice the value in one elegant design. One moment, it's a sleek, modern ottoman, seamlessly blending into your living space. But with an effortless flip, it transforms into a stable, gentle ramp, enabling your pet to safely climb onto couches or beds. After countless hours of design, the ramp on the SEATMATE Split has been thoughtfully built with your pet's safety in mind. Its gentle, 23-degree slope perfectly accommodates your dog's natural movements. The textured, high-traction surface gives paws excellent grip, preventing slips and ensuring smooth ascents and descents every time, even for older pets or those with limited mobility. Your SEATMATE Split arrives ready for quick and easy setup, so you and your pet can start enjoying it almost immediately. When closed, the SEATMATE Split transforms into a fashionable, practical ottoman built to seamlessly handle everyday life. Made with durable boucle fabric that's resistant to scratches and daily wear, it's available in 3 elegant colors to complement any decor. And for the dogs that shed, it even comes with a quick snap-on, snap-off cover for machine washing. The Split's solid wood frame and legs create an exceptionally sturdy structure, supporting up to 225 pounds, ideal for use as a reliable footrest or even extra seating. Anti-slip rubber feet protect your floors and ensure stable placement, and premium metal hinges guarantee flawless performance over time. Bulky wooden ramps make your living room look like a pet rehabilitation center, while the SEATMATE Split is designed with modern decor in mind. This means no more hauling that thing around or searching for storage space to hide it in. Your home remains effortlessly clutter-free. The SEATMATE Split isn't just convenient, it's proactive care for your dog. For younger, more daring pups, it can help prevent injury or mobility issues down the road. And with IVDD surgeries costing up to $10,000, this simple investment today could save you thousands in future vet bills, all while sparing your dog unnecessary pain. It also helps older dogs and those with limited mobility comfortably access furniture. Even better, you'll save yourself the hassle and back pain of constantly having to lift your dog onto furniture. Our first product, the original SEATMATE, quickly became a beloved solution for pet parents everywhere. Loved by thousands, seen by millions, and featured in both Rover and Yahoo, our hundreds of glowing 5-star reviews speak for themselves. You asked and we listened, and after valuable insights from our passionate community, as well as countless hours of research and development, we bring you our next big hit. Now we're ready to bring the SEATMATE Split to homes like yours, but we can't do it without you. Join the revolution and support our Kickstarter today. Be among the first to elevate your home and your pet's well-being. SEATMATE. Back us on Kickstarter today.